Checkpoint 6.8 and then E, display message a specified number of times. Okay, let's start with main method. So we're going to use that method. Okay, so let's say number of times. I will call it as mprint. Okay, again public static, because we are using within static main methods, where it doesn't say about return type, just display, so no return. It means void. I will name it as mprint, number of times. There are possibly two parameters. One is message and then number of times. So if we say hello world, let's say print 3 times. So say hello world and 3 times. So string, let's say message. I will just say n times, like a 3 times 3. So integer n times. So when I receive message, I'm going to print. So basically I'm going to print message 3 times. So I need to use a for loop. I so I less than times. One at a time. I'm printing message. That's it. So let's say here I will print n times. For example, hello world and 3 times. This is how you can invoke methods. So you have two actual parameters here. First one is string, second one is integer, string, and then integer. I think that's all. Let me run it. Here we go. Hello world, hello world, hello world, 3 times. Of course, if you change to 2, it will print only twice. Hello world, hello world. Of course, you can declare this one outside, but for simple demonstration, that's all. Answering your question here, your answer should be only this part. That's the method header. That's all. Thank you.